Hello, this is Mr. Golias, and right now we are going to make our digital survey. So you're going to want to click New and come down to More, and then you're going to want to click Google Forms. And then we're going to make sure that we also click right here, only one response per person, and definitely want to make sure that we're getting the U46 login. Up here, you're going to name this. So for mine, just going to call it digital survey and click OK. And now I'm ready to get started. The first thing we're going to put right here is first name, and instead of multiple choice we're going to click text, and it'll just be a little bit of text. And the other thing you're going to want to click is required question. That will assure that everyone will answer it. I'm now going to add a separate item, and this time put last name, and we are going to again pick text, and again we're going to require it. Okay, so that gives us our two short text answers. Next, we're going to add an item again, and this time we're just going to write gender with a question mark, and then we'll just put male and female. Again, make it required and hit done. Next, we are ready to ask our first question. So I'll click add item like so, and I'm just going to put a 1 here for the question, and I'm actually going to put my question right here. Now the question's already written. I'm going to use one that we talked about in class. So I'll use this one. I'm just going to copy it. You can copy yours from your PowerPoint where you already wrote yours. And now I can just use Control V and paste it like so. My options, I can do the same thing. Remember that we do need 5 options. So my first one, I can just use Control C to copy as well. Come back and do Control V and hit enter. And I can go back and forth. Whoops, we'll undo that. Click here, Control C, pop back, Control V, and I'm going to skip ahead till they're all done. And now that I have all 5 options, I would again make it a required question, click done, and now I'm ready to move on to my research with follow-up question. So you're going to click the add item issue, and we'll put the number 2 here, and just write the word feedback. And we can actually add the word research in front of it. Then what you're going to do is place your 3 most interesting pieces of research in that box. You're going to copy and paste it. I'm going to show you what mine looks like in just a second. I'm also going to choose paragraph text for this one. And if I hit done, this is what my research looks like. Now I'm still going to add one little piece to this. Now you'll notice I added one more thing at the bottom. It says a question, what else would you like to learn about my research topic? This is where we're going to collaborate and give an opportunity to help them. What would you like to learn? Give them a different direction, a different tilt, something unique, something that you feel would be fun to learn about, and then they will actually add that. So at the bottom, it's important you add that last question, and then you're ready for the feedback. So you click add item, and now we're actually going to rate the level of interest of their facts. So next, I'm going to post the question that you're going to ask. What level would you rate my research? And I'm going to skip ahead. It is multiple choice, and I'll fill in each one of the options now. So you'll see the choices that I put on here are 1, low interest, possibly inaccurate. Number 2, somewhat interesting, accurate. 3, accurate and interesting, which we're hoping to get. And 4 is, wow, you really blew them away. Then again, we're going to click required question and then click done. You can come down to the bottom, and the last thing I do want you to click is allow responders to edit responses after submitting, and then you're done. You can use this recording to rewind and get all of these steps done. And let's go ahead now and create our digital survey. Good luck. Hey, we're adding a little edit to the video here. A couple things. One, we're going to click on our title. I want you to go ahead and put your first and last name. So for me, I'm just going to put Mr. and G. You would put your first and last name. Another change was down here for the second thing that you're doing. I just wanted to comment and make sure that you did pick your 3 most interesting facts. They could be in any order from your previous research. Maybe it was your 8th, 9th, and 10th facts. It doesn't matter. Your 3 best. Also, we're going to add the number 3 where it says, what level would you rate my research? So you know it is the third question, and that's the total amount that you'll have. So just scrolling from top to bottom, this is what it looks like. And if I was to click View Live Form, this is what the live form would look like at this point before we do any of the customization. So hopefully that helps clear up some of the issues as well. Good luck.